Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to model a road traffic cone in Blender. Let's start. Delete the original cube. From Add menu and from Mesh Add a Plane. Change the mode to Edit mode. Right-click and select Subdivide. Right-click again and select Subdivide. Change the select mode to Face Select mode. Select the middle 4 squares. Press Delete and select Faces. Change the select mode to Edge Select mode. Select one edge of the middle square, and while pressing Alt plus Shift, select the next edge. Again, while pressing Alt plus Shift, press S. Then move the mouse. A side menu appears at the bottom left side. The factor must be equal to 1. Press E then Z to extrude the edges in the Z direction. Press S and move the mouse to decrease the top face area. Press F to add mesh between edges. Change the viewport shading to wireframe. Select all the middle edges as shown. Right-click and select Subdivide. Change the number of faces to 4. Change the select mode to Face Select mode. Select these two groups of faces. Go to Material Properties. Press on New. Select Base Color and change the color to be white. Press on Assign. Press Ctrl and I together to select Inverse. Press on the plus sign to add new color. Press on New. Change the color to be orange. Press on Assign. Change the mode to Object mode. Change the viewport shading to Material Preview. Go to Modifier Properties. From Add Modifier and from Generate, select Subdivide Surface. Then Apply. Right-click and select Shade Smooth. From Add Modifier and from Generate, select Solidify. And change the thickness to a suitable thickness. Then Apply.
Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.